the first thing was we're gonna locate the intake box. This is the engine air filter for this vehicle. There are two clips that you're just gonna pull back on, and there are gonna be two tabs that you gotta make sure that you get off of. That way you can get that cover off, kind of wiggle it off, pull it towards you, and just kind of go up on it. And just be careful, depending on the age of the boot, you can tear it, so just don't go too high. Just enough so you can get that air filter out. You get the air filter. Now we're gonna go basically back in reverse order. Basically just lift up just enough so you can put that new air filter on. Place it in. Make sure it's nice and flush. Make sure, because once you put that cover back on, you don't want any kind of leaks, or you can have an error on your dashboard. So to go back in on these two little tabs right here, you kind of want to like push it upwards just a little bit, just so they can go in. And what I do, I kind of lift up a little bit on the bottom tab so it can slide in. Sometimes it is a little hard to go in there, but you'll manage to go in there, and basically just kind of push and wiggle at the same time, and it'll go in just like that. After that, just make sure on this side it's nice and flush. And after that, you can put back the clip. And just make sure they snap in place just like that.